This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. That being said, hit the like button, subscribe button, all that YouTube algorithm stuff so you get the videos I put them out. See what I'm thinking, see I'm analyzing that data. But like I tell every day, the data they release us is false. I'm going to give us a false narrative of the market so we can make bad trading decisions. Listen, the bad actors are terrified of GME, okay? They're so terrified of GME that they've doubled down on the FUD articles. They've sent the politicians on mainstream media to do their let's go after Roaring Kitty interviews. I mean, it's absolutely crazy. All the naked shorters are scared to death, and the SEC, DOJ, and the FBI are fully aware of the fraud. Because if we, as novices, can see all the fraud that's going on in a GME play, our law enforcement agencies, our regulatory agencies can see the same fraud also. At what point do they say to themselves, it is impossible for any stock to have millions of new counterfeit shares every single day for 3 years and something not be wrong? Okay? Just simple basic logic, simple basic common sense tells you that no company is supposed to have millions of shares available to short every single day for 3 years when a majority of the shareholders are not selling. It just doesn't happen. It doesn't happen unless you're dealing with naked shorts, counterfeit shares. I mean, everybody knows it. They just refuse to act. Anyway, I think the bad actors are in trouble. I think GME is going to run, and I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell GME, but I think that they know that justice is knocking on their door. Anyway, here are the numbers for GME, or the reported numbers. The volume, 50,436,906 shares. Now, where did it I mean, absolutely crazy. But this is the bad actors doubling and tripling down on their criminality in order to manipulate the price. If you look at the majority of this volume, guess where it went? Dog pool. Majority of the buys, dog pool. I mean, if this isn't pure stock manipulation, I don't know what else is. Okay? Absolutely crazy. Calls in the money, 37,930. At $30, 28,758. In a fair and transparent market, this will be gamma squeeze territory, but because these bad actors can create counterfeit shares whenever they want, lend the same shares over and over and over again, they're not going to stop until the money runs out or the SEC, DOJ, or FBI steps in and enforces the rule of the market. And even though the CAT system will be exposing a lot of the fraud and corruption, if law enforcement does not go after these guys, does not enforce the new rules, the CAT system means absolutely nothing. Okay? And 44.8% of that volume was shorted shares. So they shorted 22 million GME shares yesterday. 22 million. Where did they get these shares from? Where did they originate? DOJ, FBI, SEC. Why don't you ask FINRA? Where did these shares come from? They won't be able to give you a definitive answer. Okay? Because the shares are the same shares being lent over and over and over again. And when they get tired of that, they go to the market makers and say, give me some counterfeit shares, please. And of course, the market maker is very happy to accommodate them for a fee. And with these 22 million new counterfeit GME shorts, they're claiming they can cover all their GME shorts in 1.4 days. So they're saying that once the market opens at 9:30 today until 12 o'clock tomorrow, they can cover all their GME short positions. even though they added 22 million new ones yesterday, and they didn't cover the ones from the days before. Make it make sense. This has to be the biggest financial crime in the history of the planet. Okay? The biggest financial crime in the history of the planet. And all you law enforcement and regulatory agencies that's allowing this to go on your watch, history is not going to be kind to you. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think they can add 22 million new GME counterfeit shorts and then close all their short positions in 1.4 days? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.